I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. But I see
The equipment ain't gonna tune me.
Right now I'm on low power, so
Okay.
not too much.
Whatever you can do, man. I appreciate it. What you running in here, man?
So I got 6 Ocote car audio Calvo 12s on a 3.5K. My mids and highs consist of audio legions, 6.5s, some tweeters. Those are run by a smart 3K. It's a beat full of wall. Actually, yeah, beat full of wall. It's 230 hertz, 12 cubes.
You got it looking good. Yes, sir.
Appreciate it. We got a custom console made too.
Oh, yeah. Y'all did all your own work and everything?
Everything you see here, I fabricated and installed.
Oh, yeah, you did good, man.
Took some
I
time,
ain't got
but
that in there.
you gotta have the good stuff, man.
Yeah. You gotta
do it right.
I said, yeah, you gotta learn how to do it yourself most of the time. At least you can repair it when you need to.
Right. Because you know what happened.
Yeah, that's it.
Stars in the roof, sitting in the fight. No favors. Move, bitch. Cause I had too much drugs and I ain't in the mood. Come slide my game. That's trespassing. I can shoot you in your face if I run past you. I bet my whole life feel like it's a maze. Been through my life away. They can't stop me, I go crazy. Jumped out that G-Wag. They tell me it ain't safe, but I'm jumped out that G-Wag.
It sounds good, man. Yes, sir. Where can I find you on social media, man?
You can find me at Ocote Car Audio on Instagram.
Yes, sir. Man, I'll be sure to tag you in the video, man. I sure appreciate it, man.
Thank you, man.
Thank you. There you go. Thanks, man.
Appreciate it.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.